Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Nishant, and today in this video we are going to test out something really cool, Google AI Studio. This video is all about exploring how we can use simple prompt command to create a full web app using Google AI Studio. This is not a coding tutorial but more like an experiment to see how powerful and smart this tool can be. We are building a small productive app called Taskbreaker. It's designed to help you manage your daily tasks better, set priorities, tracking progress, and even get a dose of motivation with daily codes. All I did was give the AI a simple prompt with a list I want in the app. Task listing, priority labels, progressive bar, option for subtask, and more. I told it what tool to use like HTML5, JavaScript, CSS, React.js, Anime.js, GSAP.js, and it to give me everything in a single downloadable HTML file so we can test it out in the real time. Let's see how it goes and whether Google AI Studio can actually deliver what I imagined with just one prompt. So let's just start this video by pressing the enter button and let's see how it goes. Okay, so it completes the task and it gives us a downloadable file. So we are going to hit this download button and now we are going to open this file and let's see what it made. So we have a task maker and it is pretty amazing in the first look. So it also we have like some subtask as well. If we delete all this, and this is pretty amazing, the clean UI is like pretty impressive. I was not expecting this much cleanness. And this is the code that we can see. Productivity is never an accident. It always the result of committed to excellence, intelligent planning, and focused effort. The pretty good code, bro. And let's compare it to like our prompt, what I gave it to it. So we asked it to like name it to Taskbreaker, and it already name it. And that's all the list. Give the priority label as well. Does we have the priority labels as well? So we have the priority label and priority label two progressive bar at the top. So we have two progressive bar. One is like this is one Pomodoro type, and the second one is like deadline. So I will explain you what is a deadline option. So and second one is deadlines and option for subtask. So I asked it to subtask because I really want to like add it for like subtask. So if we like create an task here like the maths, and let's add a deadline here. So this is the today dates 13, and we are going to change the timer to about like after the 1 hour, and we are going to add this task. And now we have like subtask options as well. So now we can add a subtask like we can add this like this is a chapter of math, and we can add it. So we can add multiple subtasks as well, and we can this is a main task and this is a subtask like I want to study maths, and these are the chapter that I want to study, and I can just take out the chapter that I have read, and we have the deadline as well. So it also start a deadline because it's in an hour, so it's just about an hour. So this is about the deadline, and this is subtask and a section for description as well, and it has a section for the description and a space for daily code. This is a space for daily code, and keep the UI clean and minimal, as I was never expecting this much cleanness in this one, and it was like above my far above my expectation what it has done. Of course we can done it like many improvements in it, and but for now like it is pretty good. So you can also try out. I have already explained you the complete process, and I try to keep this video the complete uncut, so you don't think like I have cut something out. So that's all for this video, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can consider to like this video, subscribe our channel as well, and I will see you in the next one.